Hello everyone, this is Devamitra from PCS Global Pvt. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So guys, in my previous sessions, I've talked about so many things. I've tried to provide you the best knowledge as per my knowledge about life, about career, how you can write down one professional resume, how you can face one HR interview, what are the things you need to do in an HR interview, how you can prove yourself in an organization, and what are the processes that are going on in PCS Global. Also, I have provided the knowledge about all those things. So right now, I'm going to talk about AI, that is called artificial intelligence. So in my previous sessions, I have already talked about AI, what is called AI, what are the functions of AI, how AI invented. So all history of AI, I have tried to provide you the basic knowledge about it. Right now, I'm going to talk about the domains of AI. So the first thing about AI is machine learning, then deep learning, then robotics, then expert system and fuzzy logic. So what is called machine learning? Machine learning is basically the science of getting machines to interpret processes and analyze the data to solve real world problems. Machine learning, supervised and unsupervised in enforcement learning. So in deep learning, what is called deep learning? Deep learning is the process of implementing neural network on high dimensional data to gain insight and form solutions. Basically, logic behind in the face verification algorithm on Facebook. It is the logic behind self-driving cars, virtual assistant, and Alexa. Then we have the natural language processing, first to science to draw insights from natural human languages and grow the business. Example, Twitter and Amazon. Twitter uses NLP to filter out the terrorizing words in the Twitter. So Amazon using NLP to understand the consumer behavior and user experience. So what is called robotics? The next one is robotics. Robotics is a branch of artificial intelligence which focuses on the different branches and applications of robots, AI, robots, and artificial environments to produce results by taking some accountable action. So the example is Sophia, the robot. So expert systems. Expert systems are AI-based computer systems that learn and reciprocate the decision-making ability of human experts. Expert system using if then logic mentioned in order to solve any complex problem. They do not rely conventional proceeding programming. Okay, so expert system mainly used in information management seem to use virus detection, medical and hospital records, and so on. So what is called fuzzy logic? Fuzzy logic is computing approach that is based on principles, degree of truth instead of usual modern logic that we use, which is basically the Boolean logic. So fuzzy logic used in the medical field to solve complex problems which involves decision making is also used in automated gas systems in cars. So guys, these are the domains of AI. I've tried to describe all those things. So in my another session, I'm going to talk about some more details, some more information. I'm going to provide some more information about AI. So this is for now, guys. If you find my videos are helpful, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and do comment below. In PCS Global, we are providing the training in Java, Python, Salesforce, machine learning, AI, Java DevOps as well. So if you're a candidate who wanted to see yourself as a Python developer or as a Java developer, or you wanted to build your future as data analyst, we are here to help you. Because more than 1,500 plus people have started their careers through PCS Global. Right now, they are working in several industries, in several MNCs also. So if you are thinking to build your career in IT, we are here to help you. And we are going to help you for lifetime. So in our EILP process, that is Employee Initiation Learning Program, we provide you the opportunity to think about your career and to start over. Because who has the career gap, who are the job seekers, who are the fresher candidates also right now seated on your home ideally and thinking either I'm going to start my career or not. This is the high time for everyone. This is the one lifetime opportunity you will get from PCS Global. And if you communicate with us, if you connect with us, we are going to give you the opportunity to start your career. At first, upskill yourself, train yourself, and then we will provide you the opportunity to work in live projects. We are doing it since last 10 years. So this is the best place, as per my opinion, for the freshers to start their career. And more than 400 plus people has already joined in our last EILP program, and right now our second uh, onboarding is going on. So if you're a candidate who wanted to see yourself as a ready candidate, kindly communicate and join. Okay. So this is for now. Bye for now.